Hey guys, Joseph with DRB Auto here. I know it's been a while and you guys can tell I'm in a new house and everything too, but that'll be in a different video. I'll talk about that, give you guys an update of my new workspace and everything like that, show you guys some future plans I have for it. But today I am going to be doing a long-term review on the Quickjack BL-7000EXT. I've had this unit for about a year and a half, and before this I had the Quickjack BL-5000. So I'm going to be kind of reviewing my experiences with both of them, telling you guys any issues that I've had, all the pros and all the cons that I can find, and let you guys know about it. And then I wanted to remake a video about these because I really screwed up on my unboxing and setup video for it. I mounted the GoPro on my head and did a time lapse, and it literally, in the comment section, people were saying they got sick and threw up. So I'm gonna eventually get another Quickjack unit that I can use, and I will do another unboxing and setup video, and I won't make that same mistake again. But today, I'm just going to focus on showing you guys these in actual action. I don't really talk about the Quickjacks too much in the next couple videos, but they're very important, and pretty much I wouldn't have been able to do a lot of the work I did in these videos without these, because I got into a motorcycle accident. I crashed my dirt bike about a year ago, tore my meniscus, tore a ligament, and I partially tore my hamstring. So it's been really hard for me to get down and bend down and stuff since I went through being on crutches and through rehabilitation and stuff. So with these, it allows me to get on a creeper and get under a vehicle a lot easier, allows me to jack up a vehicle a lot easier, allows me to do brakes, suspension work and stuff like that sitting on my little chair, and I can have them right there, you know, be a lot more comfortable. So I hope you guys enjoy this upcoming video. At the end, after these videos, I'm going to have a video summing up me giving the pros and the cons of this thing, any issues I've had, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Check these out, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. So, got the Quickjack in use now after a few months. Let's see if it works with no issues. That noise you guys are hearing is the front tires pulling off the ground. So far so good, no creaking. We got equal lifting heights on both sides. All right, no issues. It's 08 550 in, oh 650. 08 650 in for rear brakes and an inspection. Brake pads off. As you can see, there's pretty much no brake pad lift. The insides were even work. Well, these are the outsides. They're about the same. That's a pretty even brake pad wear. We'll clean up the slide pins, grease everything up, and put everything back together. 650 done. Rear brakes put on. Everything's greased up. Got the wheels torqued down, and it's ready to go. Lately, what happened? But right now, I'm working on 2011 WRX STI. I put some 10 coilovers on it. Adjusted the rebound, set the ride height, and did all that kind of good stuff. Well, I got the coilovers on, got the car aligned. Everything's all good on this car now. So all we gotta do is this test drive, make sure that it's good. I've already put it through its paces a little bit, but I haven't gotten too crazy yet. So let's see what this thing can do. I also adjusted the dampening and everything. So now we should be jumping. So nice. It's like super smooth, not too aggressive or nothing. It feels really nice. I like it. It makes me want a Subaru. We're working on a 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution GSR Final Edition. This one's number 302, I believe. I had to replace a coolant line today because it was leaking. And I also am going to adjust the coilovers. The preload's all jacked up. I'll show you guys right now once I get this car in there and the wheels off. Yeah, spring looks good, right? Yeah, look how much movement we got. So imagine if you hit full droop, your spring just flopping around. This thing has no preload at all on it. So what we're gonna do today is adjust the preload, go do some test drivings, come back, adjust the preload again, and just basically get these things dialed in. I cleaned up all the threads on it. So everything was filled up with dirt and debris and stuff, and these weren't spinning freely. All finished up now. Got all of the springs set to 3 millimeters of preload. We're gonna go see how it handles. I had adjusted the front first and went on a quick test drive, and I already could feel the stability in the front completely change versus having no preload. The car felt super unstable, and making just the simplest turns or hitting dips at high speeds, it was did not feel happy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Here. Today I'm working on my 2010 BMW 335i. It's got the N54 engine, twin turbo. What I'm going to be doing to it is I'm going to be doing full bolt-ons to it. I'm going to be removing the turbos and putting RB 2.5 turbos. Ideally, it should make 400 plus wheel horsepower, no problem. If I get the upgraded map sensor, I could make about 500, I believe. So little by little, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with this. I should have it done within about 2 days. Hey everybody, Joseph back here, giving you guys a little update on that 335i. I got everything bolted back in, got all the turbos on and everything. Here's the Evo, looking nice. Got this little 240 project I'm working on too. But yeah, got everything on this. About to go do the first test drive and see what happens. So wish me some luck, guys. I'm gonna go do I put the JB4 on and everything too, so right now I'm gonna be really easy on it. I'm gonna go top it off with some gas and go through the canyons a little bit and just drive back and forth from this one gas station that I go to, and hopefully have no issues at all. Just be able to drive it, and then I'll put all the skid plate backs on after I make sure there's no leaks or anything like that from the cooling system or oil, and we should be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed those videos. So let's go over some pros and cons of these units. Pros, coating, materials, and the actual reliability of the unit is amazing. The functionality as well. I've never had any issues really with these other than some leaking fittings, which was either repaired by, one of them was getting a new fitting from Quickjack, which they sent me for free. And they sent it very fast. I got it by the end of the week. I called on Monday morning or whatever, or sent them an email. They sent it out the same day, got it a few days later. Mind you, I'm in Southern California, pretty close to them, so it might be a little bit different for some of you guys, but they really do care about their customers. They want to provide you guys with a quality product and quality customer service. So that's the only issues I've ever had with it. It's worked for me on over 200 plus vehicles. I've never had any issues with safety or anything like that. Some people complain about the safety, but these guys even tested 20,000 pounds on these units and they did not fail. So that says a lot. And then if you need that extra type of security, you can get some 6 or 12 ton jack stands like I got right there, put it under some frame points and you're ready and good to go. Some cons is when you're lifting a smaller vehicle, such as a Honda or a Miata or something like that, very small wheelbase, you have to put these sideways. So if it will inhibit you from doing transmission work or doing exhaust, drive shaft, stuff like that. So that's something to think about. If you guys have a smaller wheelbase vehicle, you might want to get the BL-5000 or the BL-3500, the non-EXT models, so that you can fit them parallel with the frame on those smaller vehicles. But other than that, these things work great. I've lifted everything from Ford F-150 to Mercedes-Benz and BMWs and Porsches with the special lifting points down to, you know, these small cars like Miatas and Hondas and stuff. And I've never had an issue. I've never had a car that I haven't been able to jack up. I've never had an issue. So great units. I would recommend them to you guys, even if you're not going to use them all the time, even if you're just going to be a regular DIY guy, or you're going to be somebody that is using them all the time at your shop for detailing or quick services or whatever. You guys don't have room for a lift, whatever it may be. I would highly recommend these units if you want something that's going to work every single day for you, not give up on you, and you're going to get somebody that stands behind their product like Quickjack does. So hopefully any of you that were on the fence about buying this unit before, hopefully after you watch this video, you'll have 100% confidence in going and buying a new Quickjack unit. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And make sure to check out for my weekly updated videos from now on.